Well, hello again, and this week it's a straightforward little railway trip down here to Didcot Railway Centre. Behind me is Lady of Legend, and I come here about twice a year to meet up with my chum John, who you'll see later, and have a look round, see what's going on. There's an engine in steam. All right then. Thank you very much.
All aboard. This is parents in now, and the two small children, 5 and 6, will come to take you. That's right. But they're sadly lacking something.
Yes. Here we are at Didcot Parkway, John and I. This is John, and I've got a cancelled train. In 14:02 I was going to catch it, it's not running, so I've got to wait for the 14:34 and contact the taxi man. Well, I think John's alright, he's got a vast choice, haven't you?
Yes, I have. As far as London's concerned.
Yes, but they've got track troubles between Paddington and Reading at Ealing Broadway or somewhere. Not that you can see anyone working there.
No, not a sausage.
Anyway, been a good day, hasn't it?
Excellent day, nice weather, nice good company. And
Yes. Too much cake, probably.
cake.
Yeah. Yeah. There we are.
There we are, and there's